John Novatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous coming at you live from the West Coast, San Jose, California. So we are looking at the Hero 8. Of course, I have it right here. You guys can see it's a great camera, Hero 8. And I just wanted to just share my own 2 cents about it in 2023. All right, we're coming up on 2023. This is my Hero 8 with the mod. I own multiple GoPros. This is a first gen, of course. It's cracked on the back, as you guys can see. This one was giving me some issues, a lot of issues. That's why I went ahead and I bought another one, a Hero 8. So anyways, GoPro Hero 8 is still a great camera. I would actually recommend the Hero 8 over pretty much anything else right now. The price wise, right now you're looking at $230. It's a great camera for motovlogging. You don't need a lot of features. It's got a ton of features, of course. You get time lapse, you get so many different frames per second. Of course, you get slow-mo. You get a lot of good, a lot of good stuff. I also have the Hero 11 right here. That is the GoPro Hero 11. This is, the latest from GoPro. You have a larger sensor. It's got 5.3K, footage, video. You can record, I believe, 60 frames per second and 5.3. And, I've had it for the last few weeks since, it's been released. And I've been having some overheating issues. Now, if I'm shooting this in 5.360, this thing overheats within about 20 minutes if I'm not motovlogging. That's just someone that's, walking and vlogging, stuff like that. It will overheat. This one and the max settings, 4K and all that other good stuff, there hasn't been any overheating issues at all with the Hero 9, right? With the Hero 8. Anything that's been this format. Of course, I also have a Hero 9 and I've had a Hero 10, and those things have been notorious for overheating. It's probably the larger sensor. Maybe that's what that is. I'm guessing that's what that is. Maybe that's the whole reason, because ever since 9, 10, and 9, 10, and 11, they've been overheating on me. So I just wanted to make this video, let you guys know, hey, if you're out there and you're probably considering getting a new GoPro, I would say the Hero 8 is still a great camera. You get a lot of good features. The record quality is very good. I'm going to show you guys right now where I'm just kind of vlogging and talking about just some of the features of the Hero 8. I was also looking at purchasing a Mini recently. I'm not showing any of the footage because my last video was copyrighted from GoPro, so I'm not going to be showing any other footage in this video. But the Hero Mini was something that I was just, I don't know, I was looking into it. I like what they were doing. The Hero 11 weighs in a little bit, or it weighs in at, I believe, 5.7 ounces. If I remember right, I made this video a while back. So it is heavy. I have, of course, some neck issues where I can't motovlog for about, longer than 40 minutes. I start to get fatigued. So the Hero 8 is just something that I've really enjoyed over the last couple of years because it weighs in at 4 ounces. Of course, you don't have the case anymore, so you're able to shave down a little bit of the weight. This is by far the lightest option from GoPro. So the Mini still weighs more than this. You do, like I said, you have a larger sensor, but the Mini has just a drawback, which is the built-in battery. Anyways, enough of the Mini, because this video is on the Hero 8. Of course, a lot of great features. It's still a great option in my opinion, and let's go ahead and shoot it over to myself out on the field with comparing both of these cameras. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of a side-by-side comparison here. We have the Hero 8, which I'm claiming, it's still pretty good for 2022, considering GoPro now has a Hero 11, which is what I'm also recording with. We're recording with max settings, of course, 4K on the Hero 8 and then 5.3K on the GoPro. Now I'm recording 30 frames per second just to kind of keep it, all the same. Of course, you could record 60 frames with the Hero 11. I don't think you could do that with the Hero 8. I believe 30K or 30 frames per second is the max. I'm walking the dog, because she hasn't been walked in like 2 days. It's been raining over here in the Bay Area, which, you know, it rarely never rains. So we're also using the in-body microphone. You guys were just wondering, and I'm pretty sure you're not going to be able to see the, you know, the differences between the quality, of course, because we're talking about a little bit more resolution in the Hero 11. But I think YouTube compresses everything. I'm not too sure. I could definitely tell the difference between a 2.7 and the 4K. You can really see the difference. I already have a video on that, on the Max Lens mod. If you guys watch the end of the video, you guys are going to be able to see that there is a noticeable difference between the 2.7K and the 4K, or the 5.3K. I think it's 5.3K versus 2.7K. Anyways, just telling you guys, because I was thinking about buying the Hero 11 Mini. I came really close to it. Black Friday sale. It was like $100 off with my GoPro subscription, and then they also had like an extra 15% discount. So the Hero 11 Mini was going to cost me about, I believe, like $240, which is not a good, I mean, it's a good deal, but I already have the Hero 8. So, you know, this is a little bit towards that as well. Of course, I came close to it. I saw that the Hero 11 Mini didn't have, well, it had a built-in battery, which is one of the cons. In my opinion, I have the Hero 8 from, you know, from launch, and my batteries have been losing charge. They haven't been able to hold charge. So it's just, you know, lithium batteries over time, they lose charge, they can't hold charge. There's like dead cells, stuff like that. You will have to eventually replace these batteries. Just, you know, giving you guys my 2 cents, my experience with GoPro. I've been using GoPro since Hero 5. I've been using them for a long time, so I still believe the Hero 8 is a good camera. Maybe I'll, you know what, let's do a little jog real quick. You guys can see the difference in stability. I don't think you'll be able to see the difference, but you have the auto stability, or what is it, the stability, the auto boost 5.0 in the Hero 11, and then you have the auto boost on Hero, hey, come back, on I think the 3.0 on the Hero 8. So let's do one more run. My dog thinks we're chasing after rats or something. She's getting super excited. I am getting out of breath. I need to get back in shape. Gained about, I think, 15 pounds because of the whole lockdowns and everything here in the Bay Area. They were super strict. They were super strict about the lockdowns, and not being able to go to the gym, losing that drive, and, you know, just that routine of going to the gym every day. I gotta get back and I gotta get back on my grind. But yes, I've gained about hey, come here. I've gained about 15 pounds since then. I'm weighing in at over 180, and I can feel it, I can see it, and I don't like it. So anyways, enough rambling. We'll shoot this back over to the studio. All right, so that's pretty much it. I still believe the image stability on the Hero 8 is still great. It's a lot better since the Hero, what was it? I think the Hero 5 or the Hero 6. I think they started doing image stability with the Hero 6, because I think I had a Hero 5. I still have the Hero 5. It's right here. This is the one I'm using for the Hero 5. I believe they didn't have image stability then, but the image stability in the Hero 8 is still great. You guys are going to be able to see that for yourselves in the footage. If you guys saw me jogging, I'm more than positive that the quality is about, you know, it's about the same. It's not leaps and bounds better than the Hero 8, but you also do get horizon steady, of course, on the Hero 11. So if that's something that you're looking for, you know, something to kind of crop in and give you more stability, you could do that with the Hero 11. But I think overall, you know, just the focal length for that option, you're more of a narrow. It's not a super view. You don't have super view, you don't have wide view, you don't have hyper view, you don't have any of those focal lengths available in horizon steady. And I believe it kind of takes away from the first person point of view perspective when you're motovlogging. I really like the super view compared to all the other ones, and you get super view with the Hero 8. You don't have hyper view. That's the new focal length on the Hero 11. But I mean, honestly, I don't really like the distortion around the footage. It's just my 2 cents. You guys can share it in the comments. This is just me sharing my 2 cents. If you're out there and you're thinking about probably getting the Hero 11, I would say, you know, don't do it. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.